friends, once again Adventure Story channel is together with you, and quickly we will start about talking this standard emergency ratio. As I have seen here, and I have two brands of them. Okay, I will not make any advertise of these products for the moment. I believe in the future we can make some advertising. For that, quickly we will start to make a description about this ratio. Almost all of this ratio, it's coming 500 grams. They contain 10,300 kilojoule each one, or around 10,000 kilojoules, and some of them, as I can see here, they have around 100,000 kilojoules. I don't know, maybe this is some newer type. Anyway, some of them it's product of Norway. So from here we can see that Norway does such kind of food. Probably in other countries also they're practicing this kind of ratios. Also here I have one from USA. One of them is expired already. Anyway, I will open it and I will taste it for you. So what it's the ingredients. The ingredients is wheat flour, vegetable soya fat, sugars, malt, vitamin C, B1, B6 may contain trace of milk, it says. So one serving bar, it's about 56 grams, and the box is looking something like that, and the other one can be something like that. And let's open the first one. Let's see inside what it has. So as you can see, this is a solid block and it's in vacuum coverage. So there is a opening here. We will open, and with that we are blocking the ceiling and the air. It smells very nice, and the air it's coming inside and take place. So this can save your life at sea. The vacuum goes. Also, as we can see, there is close here, and I will open, and there is some kind of bars inside here like this. So it's on paper. Probably the smell is like a biscuit. This is very nice. I believe even after 50 years of expiration this will be still fine, because it is in the vacuum. As you can see, there is not any sign that have been destroyed. It's really nice block. As you can see, it's very tasty. And I believe if somebody is really hungry, it will eat not only this cube, it will eat all the case together, the paper. This one is really tasty. This one. Okay, this kind of food is made to help you for survive, and also this one smells really nice. And let's try the other one. Let's try the other brand also. It is sealed inside this kind of plastic. After removing the plastic, you have this kind of emergency ration. So I will eat it. Okay, this is more natural. And also here we have some instructions that says you can eat 1 bar every 6 hours per person. Eat small pieces. When you're eating small pieces, it's more efficient from your body to absorb as much as possible with the highest effectiveness, because you will not spend a lot of water. That's why. Eat slowly, do not hurry, and also try as much as possible thinking positive. It's really, really important in that situation. And says that do not drink water during first 24 hours unless sick, injury, or in desert conditions. After first 24 hours, drink no more than 500 milliliters per day. When supply is nearly exhausted, no more than 1/10 of liter per day, 100 milliliters. Never drink seawater, not even mixed with fresh water. This is really essential for surviving instructions, and this is very nice case. The second brand, which was made in USA, hopefully this one had some instructions. The other one does not have any instructions, and I believe this kind of nutrition will take this advantage to be carried on board. And I believe also the regulations will be changed, and this is much better. We have such instructions. Dear friends, I hope you like this kind of video. It will be really a lot of information about the taste. The taste is, as we said, it's about equal. The smell also of this one is almost the same. It's a little bit difference. Not salt inside, not sugar, to not increase the needs for water. Water is very essential in such conditions like abandoning the vessel and stay at sea a lot of the days. Hopefully, if all the emergency equipment is working, they will find us, the emergency rescue team will find us and save us from any kind of danger. Thank you, my dear friends, that you have stayed tuned with Adventure Story channel. Don't forget to subscribe on the memberships and check the previous videos that I have uploaded here in this channel. Don't forget, you're the heart of this channel, and always your comments are really nice to see. Thank you again, and bye bye.